everyone, I'm Rona Fox. Welcome to the Immigration Link. Today we join attorney at law Brad Bernstein of the Spar Bernstein law firm, specializing in all your immigration needs. Brad takes your calls and gives you answers each and every weekday, Monday through Friday, beginning at noon on Linkup Radio, 93.5 FM WVIP. And if he doesn't answer your questions, feel free to contact Brad and the Spar Bernstein law firm at 1-800-LAW-LINK. The number will be appearing at the bottom of the screen throughout this program, so feel free to give Brad a call.
The law offices of Spar Bernstein with 2 locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at 1-800-LAW.
So Brad, let's go to the phone lines.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. You're live on Immigration Link. What's your question for
Yes,
Brad?
good morning. My question is, I'm a citizen here, and my fiancé is in Jamaica. So I would like to know if it's easier or it's better for me to apply for a fiancé visa for him to come here, or I should go to Jamaica and get married to him.
There's a difference between easier and faster.
Faster,
Okay.
right? Faster.
What is it that you want? Do you want easier or you want faster?
Faster.
Faster, you do the fiancé visa.
Oh, okay. And
Okay. Easier, you go down to Jamaica and marry him. Let me tell you why.
Right.
Let me give you the pros and cons.
Right.
Okay. The fastest way to get him up here is you do the fiancé visa. It'll take about 6 months.
Right.
Once he comes up, you have 90 days to marry him. Then you have to do a NUX case to get him his green card. You do his adjustment of status. So in essence, you're doing 2 cases. One case to get him up here. The second case to actually file the adjustment.
Right.
And by the time he gets his green card, it'll be another 6-9 months down the line. So he won't have his green card. Let's say you bring him up on a fiancé visa. It'll take him well over before he gets his green card. Now, when he comes up here, okay, you have to marry him within 90 days.
Right.
And then you file the adjustment. So let's assume you marry him 2 weeks after he gets here. Okay? And then you file the adjustment application. Well, it's going to be another 90 days before he gets his work permit. So you're talking about 3.5 months he's going to be sitting around with nothing to do as a newly married man and you're first starting to live together, which can cause friction. I've seen it happen. Okay? Okay. But he's here faster. You know, because a lot of people come up, they want to work, they want to be able to drive, they want to be able to move around. You can't until you get that work permit and social.
Right.
Okay? So he's sitting at home watching TV all day. It becomes frustrating. It leads to friction. Now, if you can handle all that, fine, no problem. Get him up here, do the fiancé visa, get him. He'll sit around a few months till he can work,
Right.
and then you'll file the adjustment application. He'll get his work permit. Eventually, he'll get his green card. That is a harder way to go. Okay.
Right.
But it is the fastest way to get him physically here in the United States. Versus, you go down to Jamaica, you marry him. You have him sign the paperwork down there. You come back to the United States. You file everything. And he comes up in about 10 months with his green card, ready to work, ready to go.
Wow.
So, so people say, what's the way to go? And the answer is, do you want easier or faster?
Faster.
Okay. Faster is fiancé visa. Get him up here, get married, file the adjustment. Easier, go down to Jamaica, marry him, come back.
Okay, so Brad, for the fiancé visa, what form should I use?
I-129F.
I-129. F is in Frank.
Fiancé. F is in fiancé.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Brad.
All right.
Okay.
Brad, I just want to remind everyone listening, people are calling from all over outside of our viewing or listening area. And, we are streaming this program right now on linkupmedia.com, so you can listen anywhere in the world. Tell a friend to tell a friend, all right?